How to sign out of Microsoft Word application. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. In this video, we are gonna learn how you can sign out of Microsoft Word application. Whether you are using Android or your iPhone, this step will guide you through the exact one. First of all, launch open the Microsoft Word application on your smartphone. From the home page of Microsoft Word, go to the top left corner and tap on your name initial or your profile icon. From the expanded menu in the page, go to the top of the screen and tap on Add or Switch Accounts. Now, in the pop-up at the bottom, you'll see a Sign Out button. Tap on it and in the pop-up tap Sign Out to confirm. After you do that, you have successfully signed out or logged out of your Microsoft Word application using your smartphone. Your account is now removed from the app, helping protect your personal files and data. If you plan to use Word again, you can sign back in anytime with your Microsoft account's credentials. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.